Hey friends, if you wish to enable the offline mode in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, this will only work with Google Chrome and no other browser. So once we are in our Gmail, click on the gear symbol at the top right corner and then select See All Settings. Go to the offline mode here and select this option Enable Offline Email, and you can select it store emails for the last 30 days or whatever you want to, and then keep offline data on my computer or remove offline data from my computer, whatever you like, and click on save changes. It will resync. You just need to click on OK, it will resync. But here's the thing, imagine you were trying it with Firefox. What would happen? It would say the offline mode is unavailable, so you can only do this with Chrome. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.